renowned internationally by FIFA and is enjoyed by millions of players and fans across the globe. Here, I am going to introduce some greatest footballers of the world. 1. Cristiano Ronaldo. He is one of the most successful and popular footballers in the history. He is famous for his athleticism, powerful shooting, and goal-scoring records. 2. Neymar Jr. Neymar Jr. is a Brazilian football star for his creativity, dribbling skills, and flair in the field. He has represented Brazil in several international tournaments and is regarded as one of the most talented players. 3. Sunil Chhetri. Sunil Chhetri is an Indian football legend and one of the country's greatest players. He has captained in Indian national team and scored many important goals. 4. Kylian Mbappé is a French football player known for his incredible speed, skill, and goal-scoring ability. He helped France win the 2018 FIFA World Cup and is considered one of the best young footballers in the world. 5. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is an Argentine football player widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time, known for his exceptional dribbling, passing, and goal scoring.